Hello! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find trending topics on Google Trends. It's pretty much the process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Trends account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Google Trends? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, locate the search bar in your browser. In the search bar, go ahead and type trends.google.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Google Trends. Now, you don't have to go through the rigorous process of signing up because Google Trends is integrated into your Google account. So once you head over to the website, it automatically creates an account for you using your Google account. Is that not beautiful? All right, so now that we're in this homepage, is going to hop into today's step, is how to find trending topics on Google Trends. From this homepage, you're gonna see this Home, Explore, and Trending Now. There are two ways to go about that. You can either click on Trending Now, or you can head over to this hamburger menu at the left corner of your screen and click on Trending Now. So whichever one you choose, I always prefer the shortcuts, but you can just use any of the process, right? You definitely get the same result. So this is Trending Now. Waiting for this page to load up. It's not gonna have to take time. So that takes you into this window where you have this. So here you can now find trending topics. Now these are the topics as at Wednesday, 8th May 2024. You can click on daily search trends, or you can even send it to real-time search trends, and you can even change the country for you to narrow down your filter, or narrow down your search. So these are the topics trending. Tyler. This is Stormy Daniels, and this one Better, this one BBC News. So you can scroll all the way down. You're gonna find other. You have the Sancho, you have Bolton, you have Ghostbusters. This is for Tuesday, 7th May. You're gonna see all of this. These are trending topics, and you can even click on load more for you to find more and more. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can find trending topics on Google Trends. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.